Hey guys, Tiflex. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the new Apple AirTag. Let's find out together if the Apple AirTag is actually what Apple say it is. But before that, we have a very simple unboxing here. Nothing really fancy. Actually, it's very simple and I love the packaging. Anyways, the Apple AirTag is actually very easy to connect to your phone once you take out your iPhone. By the way, it can only work with the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. Any iPhone before that, like the iPhone XX or the iPhone 10, is probably not going to work with your phone, unfortunately. And that's because the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 has the Apple U1 chip. That's the only thing special about the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12. Anyways, let's check out the Apple AirTag to the real world and test it out. The main purpose of the Apple AirTag is to be able to track your lost items. The first scenario I'm going to be recreating here is where you actually drop your item in an open space where you can see the ground clearly. So I'm going to drop the Apple AirTag on a random spot while turning my back to it, and I'm also going to move away from the location. Now, once you realize you already lost your item, the first thing to do is to open your phone and click on the Find My app on your iPhone. And once you open the app, go to your items. The first thing to do is actually play a sound, just in case that the Apple AirTag is actually close by. It should make a sound like this. And if you don't hear the sound, it means the item is actually far away from you. So click on the Find My. Now, if the item is more than 40 feet away, it should display a very weak signal. Now, the best thing to do is to try and retrace your step. And once you get within 40 feet radius, your phone should display a strong signal. Just move towards that direction. And once you get within approximately 15 feet radius, your phone should actually turn green. And from there, you're going to get a very precise direction. And as you can see, it actually works well. So when it comes to like dropping your item in an open space, it actually works. So I'm going to give this a pass. Now, the second scenario I'm going to try to recreate is where the item is actually above your level. Maybe it's on top of a shelf, or for some reason it's stuck to the ceiling. Now, it's going to be the same step as before. Open the Find My app and try to retrace your step. Now, one thing that I noticed is that when I got to the spot, it kept telling me to turn left and turn right. I was kind of expecting it to ask me to look up or something like that, but it didn't. But because of the fact that I know where the tag is, as I moved closer to the tag, there was a vibration and it kept getting stronger as I moved closer and closer to the tag. This is actually very smart. Now, you might get a different procedure if you try this because the app is running a series of possibilities, but the result is going to be the same thing. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. Is the app supposed to tell me to look up or look down, or is it up to me to move my phone up or down just to find out the exact location of the item? In this case, I'm going to give it maybe an 8 out of 10. Now, I just want to test the AirTag's precision one more time. In this case, this is where I think the vibration actually comes in very, very handy. Now, the AirTag is now visible. It's in between the flowers. And I'm going to say the AirTag actually works really, really good. Now, in a situation where the AirTag is really, really far away from you, like another city, you can track it within the app using the map. Now, if your phone was not with you when the AirTag actually dropped or your item actually dropped, well, Apple actually made use of their ecosystem. Anyone with an iPhone is going to update the location when it just randomly passed by. But if your phone was with you when it dropped, well, the location is going to be registered on the AirTag. Now, if the person happens to find your AirTag or your item, they can tap on the AirTag and your information on how to return it will be displayed. This is actually very useful once again. Now, one more feature that Apple added to the AirTag is a security feature. Once your phone notices that there's a random AirTag following you around, you're going to get a notification on your iPhone about the random AirTag. This is actually very, very useful. For those of you with extra loving partners, don't worry, they can't pull that stunt on you. Anyways, that's my review on the AirTag. I'm going to update you guys as I spend more time with this AirTag. This AirTag is actually very amazing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.